New tonight, a Selma police officer was fired in the wake of a controversial traffic stop.
That officer can be seen in this viral video captured by Matthew Sanders, who claimed the officer tried to delete it from his phone.
An internal investigation led to the firing of Selma police officer Joseph Atkinson.
Amen. That's awesome. He doesn't need to be in uniform.
If a tool such as Celebrite or something similar was used, the department should release those findings. Prove it. Show what you searched for, how you searched for it, and what you didn't search for.
Now, it is worth pointing out that Selma police officers do not use body cameras for now, but this has certainly renewed the conversation when it comes to using body cameras in the name of transparency.
Funding was recently allocated for body cams, but this is North Carolina, perhaps the least transparent state in the US, as body cam footage is not considered a public record. To obtain most footage, you have to file a civil action in Superior Court, and even if a judge approves that, they can release portions of the recording that are relevant to the person's request, and may place any conditions or restrictions on the release of the records that the court, in its discretion, deems appropriate. The Selma Police Department says that Officer Atkinson was under a probationary period.
I believe Chief Hughes felt that that standard was not met by a probationary employee in Officer Atkinson.
Which means he was a new officer with less than 6 months on the job. But pictures of him swearing in just 10 months before this incident are posted to their Facebook page. It's possible that they only mentioned that he was still on probation to make it appear as though he were just a brand new officer, unaware of what he was doing. But Atkinson graduated in 2009 and has moved around to several other agencies in the area ever since. While this news is awesome, the whole thing stinks, and it's likely that we'll see Atkinson pop up somewhere else soon enough, if he hasn't been rehired already.
I think that the judge, the district attorney, and my attorney will look at this, and they're going to look for the officer in the courtroom. He's not going to be there, and they're going to throw it out.
Let me know what you think of this story in the comments down below, and if Matthew files a lawsuit for this incident, I'll be sure to mention it here. Until next time, check out another video, linked on screen.